Are we rolling?
What's my favourite moment? We just went to e-commerce awards.
Is it recording? I don't know. Can I just give me a minute to think? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. What was the question?
It's literally one question.
My proudest project is we're always continually developing the website and improving it. So there's a number of improvements we've made throughout the year. We've totally redeveloped the product page to improve it on mobile and desktop, make it better for the user. We've changed all the category pages. We've brought in new customer account pages. We've improved the pages like frequently asked questions, delivery and returns to make it easier to find the information that the customer's looking for. And then in line with the rebrand, we changed the complete look and feel of the website, so it's been quite a busy year. E-commerce website of the year. So yeah, that was quite good.
One of my proudest moments this year was getting the opportunity to work on our very first marketing campaign on the Tube. Having our work on such a large stage in London was really, really cool.
My proudest moment of 2022 was working with the full team on the rebrand and seeing that activity go live with our debut digital out-of-home campaign in London.
I've been working on so many different projects with our blog, trying to repurpose the content and make it more educational for our customers to enjoy, and I've really enjoyed doing that. We've seen great engagement and great traffic through the blog so far, so that's been a really nice thing to work on.
My proudest moment of 2022 is becoming a lot more knowledgeable about skincare. I come from an injectable background, so it's been great to learn a lot more about the skin, how it works, how it functions, and what products and treatments affect the skin.
So my proudest moment of 2022 was the Face the Future rebrand. It wasn't something that we'd ever done before, and there was a lot that went into it. You know, not just the event itself, but the changes from a design point of view. You know, the branding, the website. As I say, not something that the team has had to kind of experience previously. So yeah, it was just great to see everyone kind of club together.
I think I'm really proud of the fact that we've created a really great content team this year. So I've had Blessing join as videographer and she's been incredible, and then Rachel as well, our content exec. Yeah, I just feel like we're really getting somewhere with everything now because we've got a great team. So second one, probably the Face the Future Awards. So I kind of managed that, and you know, the team helped me, and I think we did a really great job and it was really successful. So I'm really excited that we pulled it off, and I'm really excited for next year's.
So I'm really proud this year of the digital forms that we've put in place to create a really good customer experience. It helps to capture all the information so that we've got everything digitally to our fingertips to tailor everything to the client's needs.
Proudest moment of 2022 is having a fantastic team and overcoming everything from COVID-19, and also bringing in lots of new treatments and equipment for all our lovely clients.
Starting the clinic's Instagram and clinic Facebook, and that allows us to showcase all the amazing treatments that we offer.
Putting on of all the new brands this year, in particular Moroccan Oil, Decree and Eucerin. Also just coming into work every day and working with some amazing people.
I think this is the third Christmas that I've had here, and it's the busiest yet, so I think we've all chipped in to try and, you know, get parcels out, get them on time.
We had all the staff from the offices and they all mucked in and helped us out while we were packing everything, which made it a lot easier.
In 2022, I've been privileged to be a part of many projects, especially with all the new brands that's joined us this year. We've created some video content for them on the social media, and we've also created a lot of educational videos for the website and also for our YouTube pages, which I'm very proud of. It's also been great to film both the rebrand event and the award show, where we got to meet a lot of like the brand representative and just a network. Yeah, everyone did such a good job, and I'm looking forward to 2023.
I only started in October, so not been here that long, but I've had the pleasure of meeting all our lovely brands and working with them on planning H1 for next year, and also the Face the Future Awards,
was amazing, and I had the opportunity to meet everyone there as well.
It was really amazing to be involved in the skin edit boxes that we launched in October, so from collating the products to working with the brands to making them up in the warehouse. It was really exciting, and it's a really great project that we kind of continue to do year on year.
So I'm proud of learning new skills, having lots of diverse treatments, and all those patients that I treat are repeat patients that come back to me every time.
So my proudest project for Face the Future is my menopause journey video that I did earlier on this year. It was quite hard and emotional to do, but I'm glad I did it, and I've had a lot of positive feedback from it. Also, as some of you may remember, I did a plea on the clinic Instagram page to help find a bone marrow donor for my best friend's daughter, and I'm happy to report that tomorrow she's having her transplant.
It's been a very quiet year here at Face the Future. It's been an amazing year. I mean, despite everything that's going on in the outside world, the economic climate, the fact that according to IMRG, the e-commerce market in the UK has been in year-on-year decline since May 21. Thankfully, we've seen year-on-year growth of about 10% month on month, so we're doing really well. And I think that's enabled us to do a lot of things, enabled us to invest further in the business, further in the team. What that means is we've been able to deliver not one but 2 pay awards to the staff to assist in the rising cost of living. And we've embellished that team and grown that team. We've brought on 2 people in our skin advice line. We brought on another 2 people into our content and marketing team. We brought on 2 new brand managers who are working really hard to develop great relationships with our existing brands and work hard on onboarding new brands for us, which include names like Eucerin, Vichy, Decleor, Revive Collagen, Bioderma more recently, and many more. Apologies if I'm not mentioning your name. But the work doesn't stop there. 2023 is going to be a big year, and we've got many more brands lined up, and we will continue to push and push. We couldn't be where we are without our amazing team, so my thanks go out to them for 2022. We're award winning. That's an external proof of the work that our team are doing, and the growth couldn't be delivered without the work that our existing team do and all the new employees that continue to join the team. We had an award ceremony recently. We had a rebrand, this lovely new logo that you see here. Rebrand was a really big project which I won't talk about because I'm sure someone else will choose that as their subject to talk about for 2022. But great work by everyone, great year, and excited for 2023.
Did it! You can give us. Also been great to film both the award show and the award both the award show and the award show. Fantastic, blessing.
Nearly got it! I nearly got it!
Learning and looking. No.
Again. I can't look straight at the camera.
And I'm trying to be extra smooth.
Oh, Jane, who's tired? Come on, think.
I had it all figured out in my head before we started.
What did Kimberly say?
I can't tell you.
I've lost it now.
Nervous burp.
Am I done?
Yes. That's it.
Yay!